Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Well, there it is. Check this out. This is my Zen garden. And what a Zen garden needs is lots of rocks. I got them, got a big one. It needs to have a representation of water, but not real water. And you can see that's a stream with a froggy, some turtles, and a bridge. Need some greenery. We got this big hedge. There's some greenery back there. It needs a Buddha. We got a Buddha, and we also got a Hotai. It needs pagodas. There's one. And there's one. And my gosh, there's another one. It needs symbols. You know, there's an elephant. It needs to represent peace and tranquility. It needs to be a quiet spot. And you can see right here, it's nice and quiet. I have a bench. And you can see it from here. Need to have a place where you can meditate and tranquil. You can see I got some lights there that will illuminate it at night. This is my Zen garden, and it's I love it. I visit here when it's quiet, because you know I'm in suburbia. There's the neighbors, but it's a very quiet place. So most of the time it's nice and quiet. I can reflect, I can meditate, and I can enjoy all things Zen. And like any real garden, you have to tend to it, as you can see. Some of those rocks will need raking to illustrate water. Something could fall over from the wind. The weather could disrupt it, and you have to repair it. But that's what a Zen garden is. That's mine. So check out the elements you need in a Zen garden, and what a Zen garden means. They've been around for thousands and thousands of years, and they represent, I think they first originated in Buddhist cultures and in Japan and in the Asian cultures. And there wasn't a lot of water. They didn't have oceans or creeks or rivers, so they had to manufacture them like this. So I added turtles and a frog to represent that. And you know, they had a lot of rocks, but you keep the rocks nice and clean. So part of being Zen, part of adapting and embracing the Zen culture, is you focus on a task, you live in the moment, and you accept what happens, good or bad, understanding that life will always be struggle, but life, we can make the best out of it. And that through meditation you can reach an enlightenment that is inside all of us, but it's an enlightenment that it's an important enlightenment. So for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
There's a hummingbird buzzing around me. Look at this guy. You can see him. See him? There he goes. You heard him, you heard him buzzing. I've